Hey! Today we will set up Midjourney website. We will create beautiful images using the text. In the end of the video, I will tell you 5 best technique to get the amazing result in your images. First of all, open the Google and type Midjourney. Open this website. Click on this button to join. Give your username and click on Continue. Now give your date of birth to continue to sign up process. Then, give your email and password. Verify your given email. Open your Gmail account, go to Discord email and click on Verify email. Your email is verified now. Now click on Continue to Discord button. Now we will add a server. Click on this plus sign. Create my own. Select me and my friend. Give your server name and click on Create button. Now we will add Midjourney server into our server. Go to Midjourney server. Click on newbie hashtag on right hand side. Now click on Midjourney bot. Click on Add to Server. Select your server, then continue. Click on Authorize. Perfect. We have added Midjourney bot into our private server. Now, go to your server to use this bot. Now we can use it both as private and public mode. We use /imagine command to convert our text into the images. Write /imagine and press enter, then write your text. My text is high detail, cute, cat. Accept the terms of services. You can see, our text is converted into the images. Here we have 2 options given below. U means upscaling of any image. And V means variations. If you want more variation of this image, then press variation button. This is V1, V2, V3, V4. For example, if I want more variations in this image, then I will click on V4. It will show you more variations of this particular image now. To download this image, we will now upscale any image. If I want to download this image is U2. Click on U2. It will now give you high-resolution image that can be downloaded in your computer. Now click on the image. Open a new browser. Now you can download this image. In another video, I typed this keyword. House underwater, amazed girl, watching fish outside. To get good AI-generated images, it's important to have clear and descriptive text as input. Specify the object, color, shape, and other details you want to include in the image. Provide enough context for the AI model to generate an image that makes sense in a given scenario. Clear and detailed text input can increase the chances of getting a good result. Don't forget to hit like button. Thank you.